Hi friends, this video shows in your old Android TV how to check for Android TV OS version 14 upgrade and install. First go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to about. Under about you can find current version of Android TV OS. It says 12. I am going to upgrade this to 14. First let me check whether that upgrade is available or not. Under about, set system update. Now it's checking for update. See, it says system update available. It's already downloaded that update and verified. It shows size of the update is 809 MB. This software update includes upgrade Android TV version from 12 to 14. Here we just need to select restart now. That way we can install this system update and upgrade Android TV OS version from 12 to 14. If your TV company has released Android TV OS version 14 upgrade, you will get similar message. Otherwise, you have to wait. This way you can check for Android TV OS version 14 upgrade and install it. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.